Children, today I am going to tell you how we can prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Okay. This is question number 2 of exercise 1.3. In the first question, we have already proved that root 5 is irrational. Now we are going to prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is also irrational. For doing this question, we will assume that we already know that root 5 is irrational. In this way only I have started the solution. We know that root 5 is irrational. And now we need to prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is also irrational. Again, this will be done by the method of contradiction. So, I have written, let us assume that 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational. As I told you, in the method of contradiction, opposite lena hai. We need to prove it is irrational. We will assume it to be rational. So, when we write that we are assuming it to be rational, our next step will be 3 plus 2 root 5 is equal to P upon Q. Because all rational numbers can be written in this form, where P and Q are co-prime integers and Q is not equal to 0. What is the next step? In the next step, we will take this 3 on this side. So, this will become P upon Q minus 3. 2 root 5 is equal to P upon Q minus 3. And in the next step, this 2 will also go here. It will become P minus 3Q upon 2Q. Okay. We have taken LCM here. I hope this you have understood. These are simple calculations. Okay. 3 plus 2 root 5 is equal to P upon Q. Then 2 root 5 is equal to P upon Q minus 3. Then LCM is taken. And after that, this step comes. 2 comes this side. Now you need to know about this thing. What is P minus 3Q upon 2Q? To explain this thing to you, I would like to tell you about the properties which you have already learnt in junior classes. Like commutative property, associative property, closure property. But आप लोगों ने उस टाइम ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं दिया. ठीक है? तो अभी मैं आपको एक बार फिर से उनको रिकॉल करवा रही हूँ. स्पेशली क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी एंड दैट ऑल्सो फॉर इंटीजर्स. ये हर एक के लिए होती है, फॉर होल नंबर्स, फॉर नेचुरल नंबर, फॉर रैशनल नंबर्स. बट वी आर पर्टिकुलरली टॉकिंग अबाउट इंटीजर्स बिकॉज P and Q are integers. Now I'll talk about closure property of integer. Closure property means जैसे कि name suggest कर रहा है closure, closed है. Closed मतलब जैसे for example if I talk about the addition of integers, it is closed. Closed मतलब when we add two integers, in the answer we get an integer. It does not allow anything else to enter there. Integer plus integer is equal to integer. For example, 2 plus 3. 2 is an integer. 3 is an integer. Answer is 5. 5 is also an integer. If we talk about the subtraction, next operation, subtraction, that is also closed. When you subtract two integers, you get an integer. For example, again, 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. That is also an integer. 2 is an integer, 3 is an integer, minus 1 is also an integer. Similarly, multiplication is also closed. 2 multiply by 3, you get 6. When you multiply two integers, you always get an integer. You can think of other examples also. But let me tell you children, division is not closed. When you divide two integers, you may get an integer, you may get a rational number also. For example, when you divide 2 and 3, you get 2 upon 3, which is not an integer. It's a rational number. So, it is not closed for division. Okay. So, here P and Q are integers. So, P is an integer, Q is an integer. So, 3Q is also an integer. As we said, multiplication is closed. When 3 and Q are multiplied, this is also an integer. Similarly, 2Q is also an integer. Now look at the numerator only. P minus 3Q. Integer minus integer. The numerator is also an integer. 2Q This is also an integer. Now this is an integer, this is an integer. What is integer upon integer? That is a rational number. So this becomes a rational number. Why? Because integers are getting divided. So this is what I have written. Now P and Q are integers. Therefore, P minus 3Q upon 2Q is a rational number. This is very, very important because they are integer. So this is a rational number. So this means root 5 is also a rational number. Why? Because we have put is equal to sign here. These two are equal. So if this is a rational number, this also should be a rational number. But we know this is not rational. We know this is irrational. We have already proved it. So this is contradiction again. Because we are getting it a rational. This is rational, so this is also rational. But this is not rational. So जब भी कोई गड़बड़ आती है, as I told you, that means हम कह देते हैं उसी time कि our assumption was wrong. So this is what I have written. So this means root 5 is also a rational number. This contradicts the fact that root 5 is irrational. ये वाली बात, ये वाली लाइन इस बात को कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट करती है कि रूट 5 जो है वो इरेशनल है. तो ये मैच नहीं होती दोनों बातें. यहाँ वी आर गेटिंग रूट 5 रैशनल बट इट इज इरेशनल. सो व्हाई दिस कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन हैज अरिजन? क्यों आई है ये कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन? दिस कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन हैज अरिजन ड्यू टू आवर रॉन्ग assumption. हम इसी बात की वेट कर रहे होते हैं कि कब चीज़ मैच नहीं करे तो हम कहें कि ये क्यों मैच नहीं कर रही, क्योंकि स्टार्टिंग ही गलत थी, हमारी assumption was wrong. So what we had assumed that 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational. So if this is wrong, it means 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational number. Okay? So in this way, we can prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational.